These lessons are recorded using 4K UHD video assets with aspect ratio 21:9 and 3840 by 1600 resolution, to mimic studio-wide films, and utilize ultra-wide monitors for editing, which is most efficient, or use 2 monitors minimum. You can use your own media with any resolution when following these lessons. We'll do our best to zoom when needed, best if viewed on a 4K monitor while learning these techniques.
One of the key features of the cut page is how adding clips to the timeline differs from the edit page. In this movie, you'll also learn the various edit and trim operations on the cut page, and we're going to start by rebuilding our sequence as a rough cut using more traditional edit tools here on the cut page. Let's select a clip, use in and out to mark the part of the clip we want to get on the timeline. With some in and out done from previous lesson 21 assembly and edit. Now use this icon to append to the end. Of course, we can drag it to the main timeline or the mini timeline here. You can also press Q to move between the viewer or the timeline. Notice these 3 icons change when I do that, as we saw from previous lesson. Forgot to mention the Q key for fast keyboard play pause control. Anyways. Now let's try this icon. Now the clip marked will be placed on top, starting at where the red scrub marker is. Now if I press backslash, it will back up few seconds from the highlighted clip and play the timeline for me. Press P to go into the cinema viewer and take a better look. And when I use this tool, it's called the Smart Insert tool. Going to drop this shot, well technically, if I cue this shot using its in and out points to wherever this little arrow is sitting or caret. So if I wanted this shot before the end of the timeline, right there, and now I'll press Smart Insert. Pushes back the clip that we were sitting on. This clip and anything after it would be pushed back to open up a hole in here and drop that clip in, but that's not what I want. I actually want it in the other direction. I grab the ruler up here, and now we got the arrow at the end, and now I can do my Smart Insert. And it just lops it on onto the end of the timeline. So I just bring myself back to the very top of the sequence. Hit play. You got a couple things going on here, and we could definitely use a little bit of trimming and a little bit of tightening.